Hi everybody, this is Stephanie and I want to show you this wok that was gifted to me to try out for my opinion, for my personal opinion on it. So it's a wok that came with these utensils, right? It's beautiful, isn't it? It comes with these utensils, and what I'm going to attempt to do, I'm going to start making myself some shrimp fried rice. Okay, so I'm gonna get it started, but I'm gonna show you what I'm doing so I can use these utensils. I already seasoned this. I already seasoned this wok, so now I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna let you guys see what I'm gonna do with that. And here we are. I'm going to taste it in front of you. It's pretty good, if I do say so myself. That wok worked out well. So you guys, if you're looking for a wok, maybe you should get that. For me, it's much healthier eating. I know what I'm eating. Put the vegetables I want in here. Put the protein I want in here. And it does have some rice if you want in here. So, bon appetit. Thank you for sending me that wok. Mwah. Appreciate you.